Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka 00 Styles. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And listen, don't worry about my nails, because I just cannot help but pay attention to the fact that this one nail is missing a nail. I mean, it's not missing a nail, it's missing a color. And this one's missing a nail. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, we'll get that handled tomorrow. But for now, let's get into this wig review, because you already know what time it is, baby. We're doing an outre, another outre. If you have not checked out my last video, I did an outre video on this cute dude. Make sure you check that out too, okay? Yeah, so let's get into this outre wig. Let me give y'all the deets, okay? We have a outre melted hairline lace front wig. And as you can see already, it's that bob season. It's about to get hot. You don't want too much hair on your body. This is the time, okay? For the bobs, okay? Her name is Isabella. I love that name, Isabella. That is so cute. Okay, but yeah. This is what we doing. Let me go ahead and pull it out so I can show y'all how this look, okay? Homegirl is cute. Homegirl is killing it. I love it. She really the reason why I was like, you know what, let me try that. Because sometimes, you know, when you look at it, the models on the front, it kind of lets you know, like, that might be the one. It's all about that front cover, okay? First impressions. And sis had me, and I actually wanted this color, but they didn't have this color. I was like, oh my goodness. But black will do, okay? So we got this one in black 1B natural. And I love natural wigs because they basically go with anything. This is like the perfect everyday type of bob, and I have not had a bob in I don't know how long, but I'm ready for it. So this is how a bob looking, okay? As you can tell, it looks very natural, okay? Very natural. So I'm putting my fingers through it, no hair coming out. It just feels like I just got my hair done or something. Like, you know, when you first get your hair straightened and stuff, it just feels very flowy, soft, natural, and beautiful. You see that? That is just, Okay, so the edges are in the front, as you can see. And the laces right here. And we have the headband thingy right here. And we have two combs, and we have this wide comb right here. You see? Okay. So I am about to cut this lace. Okay, so I'm back, and this bob is freaking cute. Like, I feel like this looks like my real hair if it was straight, you know what I'm saying? So currently, like, the hair is drying, okay? So I just sprayed Got to Be Glued right there on my lace. And I'm just kind of letting it dry, like, I'm just letting it dry. I'm so hungry. I have to get me some food. I don't have time to be waiting for it to dry. So I'm just gonna let this right here, let it do its thing, because this right here is good enough for me, baby. Because I am freaking starving, okay? So yes, this is the perfect little everyday bob. Let me show you the back. So yeah, the only thing I don't really care for is I don't like when the hair is touching my back like that. Like, I wish it was more cut like this. Like, you know, so it don't be on my back like that. Cause I feel like I'm bending it, you know what I'm saying? When it's on my neck like that, I feel like I'm bending the hair. But overall, I really love this wig. I definitely can see myself wearing this like on an everyday, Monday through, you know, Sunday type vibe. It's really cute, it's flowy, and it's really soft. So yeah, I just like to move side to side just to show you guys that it's movable. It's so movable. everyday type of hairstyle, okay? You don't know if it's my hair. You don't know if it's somebody else's hair. You don't know, okay? Because that's the vibes I'm getting. It's simple. It's to the point. If you want, get you a different color, the ombre colors, or get you a natural bob. Nobody be able to tell if it's your hair or not. That's the perfect thing about it. So yes, if you are interested in this wig, I will have the details provided below. Of course, you know I got you, sis. What else can I say? Sorry, I just think I'm cute with this, you know? With my one nail looking crazy, but it's all good because it's gonna be a different color tomorrow. And I'm gonna have my bob. And I'm gonna take me a picture in it. So you know at the end of this video, the normal, there will be a picture of my outfit. And it'll be available on my boutique. So make sure you get into it, sis, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Shout out to SamsBeauty for this Outre unit. Hit the link below, subscribe, like button, all that, okay? Yeah, so I'm out of here. I'm hungry. You guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.